Good morning, everybody. Let's go get Morris some food. Hi. Marty's up in the tall chair, I see. Wow, so is Stripe. Did you guys not sleep last night? They were in the house the whole night. Hey, Stripey. Hey, bud. Here you go, Morris. Let me not make you wait. There you go. Hi. Hi. Don's already been out here and done some watering for me, and I will be out here in a little bit doing more watering. More watering. Hi, Mart. Meow. Hi. Hi. Here you go. Here you go. Well, Mama Bluebird did stop at 4 eggs. You know, 4's the middle ground. Not 3 and not 5. It's all good. She's going to lay as many as she lays. I'm glad it wasn't just 3, I guess. I'm seeing 3 of the 4 babies from the last nest together all the time. That makes me happy. That's good. I don't know. Today's going to be all about more watering. Mostly by hand. Because, you know, we're just that dry and it's that hot. I'm out here watering, and wherever I go, Marty comes. He was laying down until I went to get serious about filming him, and then he stood up and walked a little bit. But he's hanging with me. He loves to be in the yard with his people. And we love us some Marty, don't we, Marty? Don't we, Marty? Hi. It's a good boy. Someone has started their vacation! Yay.
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks, baby. Yep, exactly. Yeah, we won't be gone the full 2 weeks, but 2 weeks of vacation. Time to recover from vacation.
That's right. I need, as an older person, I need time to recover from my vacation. That's right.
Yeah, every day this week when Don was on with meetings, he was reminding them, you know, my vacation starts Friday afternoon.
That's right.
It wasn't just to gloat. It was really, please catch me before I log off and let me help you in any way that I can while I'm still working. But it also was I'm going on vacation. Yeah, I think Paul, the customer guy, I think he knows you're gone for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's right.
I got dueling printers here.
Yeah.
Dueling printers.
My girl, she's keeping them busy.
That's right. My, Donnie, is that a little bit of chocolate there?
I'm on vacation.
Goodness. I made lasagna and it was really good. And we had, you know, a serving. And then Sam was looking forward to me leaving some in the refrigerator for him. So there's some.
So Mary had sent me out here to clean the printer, and I said, "What? What is that?" I'm baffled. I cannot figure out what this is. Totally stumped. Huh. It's big. Baffling.